Well, the little summer break's about over. Gonna start bracket racing again Sunday, August 24th at XRP. So let me give you the update. I did add a wideband O2 sensor that my friend Zach gave me, so I can start seeing how rich or lean this carburetor is when I'm racing. Kind of important. So we may even just start out with that bigger spacer I've been wanting to try, because I only get the 2 time trials Sunday, so really I just need to, whatever I throw together, I just got to go with it and just hope it's not lean. I assume that it'll be rich because it'll be hot. Well, in here with my high-tech wiring, which means, you know, decent connections, but toggle switches with inline fuses and zip ties, you'll see this new gauge activating everything. Well, it's all over the place. Obviously, we can't really read it till we have it hooked up in gear, you know, running through the gears. So we'll just have to see what that real wide open throttle going through the gears reads. Just gonna wait and see, hope for the best. I'm gonna assume that it'll be lean and below 12.7 and be rich in the 11s or low 12s. Hopefully not 13 something or more, leaner at wide open in gear. Remains to be seen, but we'll see.